recurring problems in California, preventing mass wildfires from destroying whole neighborhoods and communities. A team of more than 30 students are doing their part to fight the flames by creating an automated sprinkler system. One of the team leaders, 15-year-old Alejandra Cortez, joins me now. Thanks so much for being with me this morning, Alejandra. Tell us more about the sprinkler system that you've dubbed Hydra. How does this work exactly?
Well, Hydra is an automated sprinkler system that uses infrared cameras to track and extinguish embers and protects homes from catching on fire. So Hydra can use blobs to track embers, and blobs are simply just a collection of pixels that have the same color and the same heat signature. So the computer will track the center of the ember and it will send back the coordinates. And actually, Hydra is able to distinguish an ember from any other object, such as a squirrel or a dog, because we made sure in our code that Hydra will filter out blobs based on their circularity, their size, and how fast they're moving.
And this project's personal for you and your fellow team members. Explain how this idea came about.
Well, in California, we're known to have wildfires, especially in the summer and into the beginning of fall. And in 2019, Archer actually had to evacuate because of the Getty fire coming so close and threatening the safety of our school. And even our friends and family had to evacuate from their own homes. And this is mainly due to climate change. And we hope that Hydra will be the solution to preventing massive wildfires.
Yeah, this could make such a difference. This is such an innovative idea. What are some of the challenges that you've faced while working on this?
Well, we did have to work on this during COVID, and we wanted to start designing Hydra. So we sent parts out to different students' houses. We also had to attend weekly meetings, and we used applications like Team Gantt to make sure that everybody was on top of their tasks. We did have a few challenges when we were testing our prototype. Specifically, the motor controller started to smoke, and we had to eventually replace it with a new one. And we did have a few leaks with the nozzles.
Alejandra, this is so awesome. We're seeing the images of you guys working on this. Now, this could make a big difference. So what is the long-term plan to bring your sprinkler system to the market?
Well, we have spoken to local firefighters, and we are hoping to work with LAFD so we can test our device with them. We are still refining our device, and we have a bunch to work on. Our main goal right now is to work on the code that tracks the embers, and we have even heard from firefighters in Australia that are interested in our device. So it's gone global.
Yeah, that is so amazing. And last question quickly, Alejandra. A lot of girls working on this project for your school. So tell me what it means to be kind of a part of that team with your fellow classmates.
Well, I mean, it's amazing. We're making a huge impact on our community. And as I said before, we've even reached Australia, and we are actually the only Invent team to have both upper school and middle school students. And I think it sends a message to the younger students that anybody can be an inventor.
Alejandra, thanks so much for talking to us this morning. Such valuable information. That was Alejandra Cortez. We're back after the break.